Hello, learners. Welcome to the next lesson on pronouns. Today, we'll dive into two types of pronouns, reflexive and relative. Reflexive pronouns reflect back to the subject of the sentence. Some examples of reflexive pronouns include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. Relative pronouns, on the other hand, introduce relative clauses and connect them to nouns or pronouns. Some examples of relative pronouns include who, whom, whose, which, and that. Now, let's practice these concepts with some examples. Here's the first example. She made the cake. Blank. The correct answer is, she made the cake herself. Here's the second example. We saw the house. Blank. You built. The correct answer is, we saw the house that you built. Here's the third example. They found the keys. Blank. Were lost. The correct answer is, they found the keys, which were lost. Here's the fourth example. The cat. Blank. Is sleeping is mine. The correct answer is, the cat that is sleeping is mine. Here's the last example. We, blank, enjoyed the movie. The correct answer is, we, ourselves, enjoyed the movie. So, how many of these did you get right? Now, let's recap what we've learned. Reflexive pronouns reflect back to the subject. Relative pronouns connect clauses to nouns or pronouns. They help add detail and clarity to sentences. Great job today. Keep practicing your pronouns. See you in the next lesson.